Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the BGMI mobile game battery draining test on the iQOO 9 SE device. Yes, when this is the exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to demonstrate while playing BGMI mobile game how much battery it gonna decrease. So right now I do have the stopwatch ready and I'll be using with the 4G data connection during this process of demonstration. Only 4G SIM card, not any Wi-Fi, only 4G SIM card. And brightness I'll try to set to the 50% brightness capacity and battery charger to 100% right now. As you can see, 100% the phone charged. And let's open the BGMI mobile game. And I'm not using any kind of game frame interpolation. So game frame interpolation is completely turned off. As you can clearly see, it's off. And I'll try to play only the Sanang bootcamp only continuously. As you can see, friends, so this is a bootcamp match which I'll try to play non-stop continuously for a couple of hours. And let's see how much battery will be decreasing during this process of testing. And meanwhile, let me do one more thing. Set brightness to 50%. So right now this will set the brightness to 50%. As you can see, exactly 50% of the brightness also got set. And let's start the match. And I will be back after 30 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details about this device, how much battery is draining. Right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to 35 minutes of time as well, continuously playing this BGMI mobile game between these two phones exactly. And I'll try to show you exact how much battery got decreased as well during this process of demonstration. So this complete test is done only using with the 4G data connection. There's a lot of difference, friends, using the Wi-Fi and using the 4G data connection as well. So you should definitely understand. So under this extreme condition with the 4G, these are the results which we'll be getting. I'll try to exactly demonstrate right now. So during this process, there is nothing much problem and issues with the BGMI mobile gameplay. Gameplay was completely fine and okay. And battery dropped to exact 90%. As you can see, for 36 minutes of time, 90% battery dropped. So overall 10% got decreased during this process of demonstration. And regarding the temperatures, it was able to maintain up to 37 degrees Celsius, 37 and 36. So I'm not using any kind of game frame interpolation. So it will be playing only at 60 FPS only throughout the time. And this complete test is done only using with the 50% brightness as well. That's another thing also you should definitely understand about. So I'm going to be back after 1 more hour, then we can discuss more details about what's going on with overall test readings and temperatures as well. I'm going to be back after 1 more hour. So right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to 1 hour and 3 minutes of time at this moment, continuously playing the BGMI mobile game in the iQOO 9 SE device. So in 1 hour of time, let me show you exactly how much battery percentage the phone did reach. It's about 82%. As you can see, 82% the phone dropped during this process of demonstration. Let's continue playing the game. And this complete test is done only using with the 50% brightness capacity only during this process of demonstration. And I'm not using any kind of game frame interpolation, friends, during this process. And overall, you can play the BGMI mobile game up to 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours of time continuously is possible in the iQOO 9 SE device. This is how much time you can actually play the game in this device. I'll definitely do another comparison as well side by side with the iQOO 7 smartphone while gameplay. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So I will be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes of time. Then I'll try to show you exactly what's going on in this device. Think about the battery. But overall, till now, these were the results I got at this moment exactly. For 1 hour average, like 18% an average for 1 hour. Again, I'll be back after 1 hour 30 minutes. So right now, as you can see, friends, I've been playing this game for about 1.5 hours non-stop continuously. I did not use any kind of game frame interpolation during this process of testing. So let's check how much the battery dropped during this process of demonstration as well. I'll try to exactly compare both in this device. Let me go to the settings option, show you. The battery dropped to 73%. As you can clearly see, 73%. The battery dropped in the iQOO 9 SE device during this process of demonstration. I'm trying to use exactly 50% brightness only, friends. set brightness to 50%. As you can see, exact same 50% brightness all I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. Again, I'll be back exactly after 1 more hour, then we can discuss about more details, how much the battery got dropped during the next 1 hour. So if you take this into consideration, maybe battery is draining like I think we might get 5 hours of time, 5 to 6 hours in between. Overall, though, you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game continuously in this device. If you use the game frame interpolation, the battery may drain slightly more as well. In case if you use the game frame interpolation. So I'm going to be back after 2 more hours. And let's check the temperatures. I forgot to check the temperatures. 37.4 degrees Celsius, 37 and 38 degrees. So when the phone was able to maintain kind of below 40 degrees, that's kind of compulsory, below 40 degrees without any game frame interpolation. Always remember, if you use this game frame interpolation, it will be different. So you should definitely understand about that. So I can be back after 2 hours. So right now, as you can see, friends, the time is about close to 2 hours of time as well. And during this time, continuously I was playing the game itself. And overall, it's pretty smooth. It's very smooth, and the temperatures are always maintaining below 40 degrees Celsius only. The temperatures, nothing much high temperatures. You can clearly see 37 degrees Celsius right now. I did not notice any kind of high temperatures at this moment. And the battery right now is after 2 hours, it dropped to 63%. As you can see, 63% after 2 hours of continuously playing gameplay. So, friends, if you try to calculate in this scenario, you can actually get the battery backup close to 5 to 6 hours of time. That kind of possibility is there in this device regarding the battery draining details. In case if you want me to upload any other videos, let me know in the comment section below, friends, comparing with other smartphones. I'll definitely do side-by-side comparison with iQOO 7 device especially. I'll try to concentrate using iQOO 7 device versus iQOO 9 SE device, how much the battery is draining between these both phones as soon as possible. So meanwhile, stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested, and that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and meanwhile, signing off. I just thought of doing 1 or 2 hours of time continuously playing the game just to give a clear idea what's going on as well. So in 2 hours sometime, the battery drop would kind of close to 40%, close to. So definitely you can expect up to 5 to 6 hours of playback in this device using with a 4G data connection. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.